Hi and welcome back. Today we are making this agate magnet with the help from our friends over at Sculpey. And we'll get right into this tutorial for you. For the base of the magnet, you will need Liquid Sculpey in your colors of choice and Sculpey's white clay. We are using garnet, metallic, and gold. And you can find these colors right on Sculpey.com. They have lots of variety there. I'm taking inspiration from this geode that we made in a previous video, and I'll use this as a guide for the shape that I want to create. First, take the white clay and roll it out, and this is going to make the shape of the agate. And for the base, use any oven-safe surface. Now that the shape is completed, I'll go ahead and use the garnet metallic for the center and then the gold for the outside. Then bake according to the instructions. Once it's cooled down, you can begin to create your accents. First, I'm painting on some translucent gold, and that's going to give it some extra shimmer. Then, using a glue that dries clear, go ahead and glue on some rocks and glittery pieces. I'm using craft rocks and the sparkle pieces are fireglass. These make really great DIY gifts, and you can even make a whole collection and sell them in your Etsy shops too. Now take some white paint and start painting in some thin lines. Once this is completely dry, go over the whole piece in Sculpey satin glaze, and this is going to give it a really beautiful sheen. Then glue on your magnet onto the back, and we're done. And that turned out so great. We hope you try this out. And if you do, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Have a great day, everyone.